tree onto them. Squirrel. I've been a bit busy.
Oh my god, I think I've got it on camera as well. Oh.
I've been travelling all over the fucking country. By all over the country, I mean Birmingham. To pick Honda EG parts up, and these are the bits. I don't know if you can see. I'm just gonna fucking stand you up on Jabberwocky up there. Honda parts for days. So we got doors, roof liner, bumper. Guessing bumper's over there somewhere. Interior, all that jazz. A lot has been going on since I last saw you. I've been buying extra suspension components and stuff, and extra hubs and that, because I'm gonna get them all powder coated. I got another subframe, steering rack, blah blah blah. I've got all duplicates of all the suspension components. Snack time with Stu! Today's snack is brought to you by Mkd Digestives Classic Caramel. And these are fantastic. They just look like a normal digestive. Do you bite into it and think, what the fuck? I've just got a bit of biscuit on back there. It's got a nice little film of caramel between the biscuit and the chocolate. These are good. These are very good. They're on offer in your local shop for £1. So, my task today anyway is I'm going to cut the metal bits out of this, where the old bushes were, because I pushed them out the other week. I'm going to get them hubs off, but I don't think I'll be able to get them off with my dangerous press, as we've seen in the past. It's a bit dangerous, but the hubs won't fit in. So I'm going to have to go Big Gay Dave's work after this and go get him to press them out. And use his big mega truck pumper-upper thing. And then get these out. But these, if you've seen that video on YouTube's, where the dude uses a drill bit, so let's crack on now, eh? Oh, I snapped my drill bit inside it. So I watched that video a while back, and I can't remember how they did it, so I'm just gonna chop it.
You say I do stupid things.
I always do stupid shit. What's this?
Chewit? You ever heard of a fucking chewit before?
No, what's a chewit? Is it Irish?
Do you not have chewits over here?
No.
Where the fuck did I get these from?
Have you ever heard of chewits?
Chewits?
Because Sam, where did you get it from Ireland?
I don't know. I found them in my eyes, but like, I've had chewits before. Like, I've never seen the advert, and it's like the dinosaur, and he's just going around on skates being like, I like the chewits.
Oh, isn't it
264.
That's right, it says Fred.
Yeah, but like, it's Frutella.
That's Frutella.
Back in the day, do you not remember that? I like, no, fucking went back to chewits, man.
Could go get the grinder, but
He's a lazy fucker.
this is more fun. But getting the grinder would be less lazy than...
Why have you never had chewits? It says here, the sweets were originally manufactured in Southport during the early 1960s.
Yeah, and then imported to Ireland. Only Irish people get it,
Because no one else would have them, man.
Why am I doing this? This is like the hardest thing in the world. What are these?
Ripped up chewits.
It says for Irish market only, you fucking idiot.
No, it doesn't.
Sold and made for Ireland.
You fucking wind up.
Belfast. You'll have them in Ireland.
Shit! Learn something new every day.
You do.
You're a fucking idiot.
I know what fucking chewits are.
God, you're such a bell end.
Uh-huh. Bush be gone. That's one bush made easy. So that was a piece of piss with the bearing press. So now I'm gonna get these, I'm gonna get the metal bits out of these. Two minutes with a fucking hacksaw. I've managed to get all the little old bushes out of all these. They're done, and the bushes are out of them there. I just need my hubs out, and I'm just gonna go and I'm just gonna buff all these nuts up. I might sandblast them all. I need to buff them up. I sandblasted them, but I think I'm gonna have to go through them because, like these ones here, if you can see, if I can get there. See how pitted they are? I'm gonna have to try and find new ones, so I'll have to work out the threads, measure all the bolts, and then try and order some new ones. I do know Steve, who I speak to on Instagram, does stainless steel bolts, so I might just speak to him and see if he can get me some. You ready?
Yeah.
There you go. Straight toots. Right. Now I need the circlip to whip these circlips off here.
That's you, mate.
Right, so we've got me hubs there, bearings out. Just gonna leave Sam bashing them over there, his EP3 ones, because he wants them powder coated. So these are all my bits I've got to get powder coated. So I've got a subframe, 2 trailing arms. The trailing arms I had on the car were a lot better than the ones that I got off Dino, but Dino gave me the ones for the disc brake. And then I've still got to sand down all the wing on this side and the other side, but I've sealed all, welded it and sealed it. So the front end I've got a full new slam panel that is here and I need to get fitted. So I'm going to drill the old one off and then crack on. I'm going to get 2 new wings. I was going to go all carbon fibre, but for the time being I think I'm just going to get replacement bits for everything. I've got them 2, obviously the 2 new doors because these are shagged. I'll take all the bits out of this and probably then bin them. Luke Beard's give me his old sunroof because mine is rusty and his isn't, so I am cracking on with it. I've got a lot of parts and I can get on with it, so it's just getting all these ready for powder coat. It's taken quite a while. It took probably twice as long as what I wanted, but what can you do, eh? Hopefully I'll be able to get a bit more uploads because I am working here on Friday. I'm going to try and get that front end done, or at least some of the arches finished, and then I can get them all filled and crack on. So is Sam actually wearing safety gear? He is actually wearing safety gear. Nissan never wears safety gear. Dangerous Irishman, ain't you, you gypsy fuck? Yep. So that's me anyway, and so anyway, been Stu, Sam's been Maverick, and I'll see you in a bit.